Studying GK and current affairs from random GK portals might be okay, but in order to score 30 plus out of 40, it should fit in the TISNET GK section perspective. Hello guys, welcome to Manual Education. Today in this video we'll talk about TISNET GK syllabus, category wise sectional cutoff, 5 major mistakes to avoid during GK preparations and types of students you all will be competing with. But before we begin, we have an important announcement to put forward. Guys, all the testnet related videos will be available only on Manure Test Entrance channel, be it latest exam updates, notification, preparation strategies, workshops, live sessions, paper analysis, and a lot more. Also, you all can see a glimpse of these if you follow us on our social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. Guys, we have also launched the batches for TISNET 2024 preparations. And for live class, you all can call on 8828581455. Guys, we are Mumbai based. You all can join us for classroom coaching as well at Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, Thane. Our Pune center is also coming soon. So stay tuned for that as well. You'll get access to video lectures, mock tests, books, mentorship strategies, and a lot more. Now let's understand about the competition level of TISNET entrance examination. Every year 45 to 50k aspirants appear for TISNET entrance examination and these number keeps on increasing every year. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, you all will be competing with UPSC students, MPSC students, those students who have already prepared for various government exams. These intellectual minds have already geared up with their preparation, and GK being their core or strong area, competition is really tough, guys, to secure one seat in any of the test campus, be it Mumbai, Tuljapur, Guwahati, or Hyderabad. Also, many are exam experts appear for TISNET exam every year. According to TISNET 2023 analysis, TISNET is no more easy exam. Previously, difficulty level was easy to moderate, but this time paper was kind of challenging. Now, test being GK wala exam, it's important to understand all the mistakes that you need to avoid during your preparation and if you want to crack TISNET in the very first attempt. Number one is nothing but your late preparation. Guys, GK being the dominating area, 40 questions for 40 marks, and it is also extremely vast and it's always advised by experts to go through at least past 1 year current affairs like important news, international, national news, etc. So guys, start your GK preparation from day 1 so that you can finish the syllabus on time and get enough time for revision as well, because जीके वास्ट होने की वजह से इतना कुछ याद रखना एक सिंपल मेथड से पॉसिबल है, which is revision. Those who have access to manure handouts, you all can highlight the important lines and start your preparation. Also, I will mention all the links in the description in case you all want to get your hands on GK preparation materials. Next is nothing but lack of authentic and sufficient preparation resources. This is the most common mistake which almost every student do, is using many and unorganized resources from different portals and trying to mug up everything, having less information about what to prepare, how much to prepare, and how to prepare. Having authentic and sufficient preparation resources will save your time during your preparation, will increase your accuracy, will help you in improved performance and build confidence as well. अब कॉन्फिडेंस की बात आ गई है, सो नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करते हैं ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस अगर फील हो रहा होगा गाइस, तो एक बार कंपटीशन ज़रूर समझ लेना. गाइस, आप उन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ compete करने वाले हो जो यूपीएससी एमपीएससी जो टेस्टनेट रिपीटर्स भी होंगे, जो अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के लिए भी प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे, वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स होंगे, जिनका जीके को लेकर बेस ऑलरेडी बहुत स्ट्रांग है, इन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए सिर्फ सिलेबस अवेयरनेस और टेस्ट ओरिएंटेड जीके प्रिपरेशन पर ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है. And those students who feel underconfident, I'll highly recommend them to stay motivated because ऐसे preparations नहीं हो पाएगी and GK preparation planning में आपको बहुत problem face करनी पड़ेगी if you are confused and if you are self doubting. Next is nothing but not revising. This is the biggest mistake guys. सिर्फ syllabus खत्म करना काफ़ी नहीं है, जितना आपने पढ़ा है सब कुछ याद रखना इज इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट एज वेल. अब ये कैसे पॉसिबल होगा? रिविजन से, बिकॉज नीड ऑफ रिविजन इज मैंडेटरी. बीइंग वेल वर्स्ड विथ व्हाट यू हैव लर्न सो फार increases the chances of scoring well and saving time in exam. Guys, whatever you study must be in a part of your revision, otherwise आपके efforts, time, energy सब कुछ waste में count होने वाला है. Next is nothing but not writing mock test. इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस के बारे में बात करूँ तो आपको क्लियरली समझ में आ जाएगा कि आप कितने लॉस में हो सकते हो. नंबर 1, पुअर एग्जाम परफॉर्मेंस. मॉक टेस्ट जो है रियल एग्जाम का रेप्लिका होता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स को अलाउ करता है एग्जाम टेकिंग स्किल को प्रैक्टिस करना, स्ट्रॉन्ग वीक एरियाज को आइडेंटिफाई करना. Guys, this also leads to next disadvantage, which is lack of familiarity with exam concepts. This will eventually lead you to confusion and difficulties during actual examination. You will also face problems like difficulty in managing time, inability to identify weakness, and lack of confidence as well. सो गाइज हमारे पास एग्जाम के टाइम पे इतना टाइम तो नहीं होता है कि हम ये सब चीज़ों के साथ भी डील करें. सो बेटर है कि प्रिपरेशन हर चीज़ को लेके आपकी पहले ही स्ट्रांग रहे. गाइज इसके अलावा और भी डाउट्स होंगे आपको तो आप डेफिनेटली कमेंट कर सकते हो. वी विल डेफिनेटली गेट बैक टू यू विथ ऑल द रिलेवेंट डिटेल्स. नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट टिसनेट जीके सिलेबस. ये डिवाइडेड है 3 पार्ट्स में: स्टैटिक जीके, करंट अफेयर्स एंड बिजनेस जीके. Static GK includes history, geography, banking and economics, civics, science technology, international organization and United Nations, country capital currencies, sport related, miscellaneous में आ जाता है national park stadium, power project, multi-purpose project, dance and culture. Next is nothing but current affairs. Current affairs is included national and international news as we discussed earlier, United Nations body and IO related eminent personalities, awards and honors, budget and government schemes, books and authors, Oscar and Filmfare Awards, Nobel Prize, sports, military exercise, RBI. And next is nothing but business GK, which includes merger and acquisition, CEO, brand ambassador, brand tagline, new product, मेजर शेयर मार्केट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. गाइज जीके को लेकर जितने भी सफिशिएंट एंड वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्रिपरेशन रिसोर्सेज है, बीट वीडियो लेक्चर्स, हैंडआउट्स, लाइव लेक्चर्स एक्सेट्रा, सारे लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. डू चेक दैट आउट. इन रिसोर्सेज से आपके मेजरली टिसनेट जीके के क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे एंड यू कैन इजीली स्कोर 30+ आउट ऑफ 40 मार्क्स. यहाँ पे आपको एक और चीज़ जान लेनी ज़रूरी है गाइज, विच इज़ कैटेगरी वाइज सेक्शनल कट ऑफ फॉर GN, EWS, KM and AF category students 14 marks, PWD, OBC, NC students 12 marks. For SC and ST category students there is no sectional cut off. सो गाइज आई होप यहाँ तक एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. स्टिल अगर आपको कोई डाउट या क्वेरी है, यू कैन कॉमेंट इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. ऑल्सो रिगार्डिंग योर प्रिपरेशन गाइज, वी हैव लॉन्च द बैचेज इन विच यू गेट एक्सेस टू क्लासरूम और लाइव क्लास. You get concrete study materials. We also help you with the insights to solve your questions under 20 to 30 seconds. You get access to doubt class. You get 200+ recorded video lectures for conceptual clarity. You get topic test, mock test, which are closest to your actual entrance examination. You are added in the WhatsApp group. Also, you'll be solving 10,000 plus sure short questions, and mentorship will be allotted where you will be assisted by experts who have 5+ years of exam writing experience. So guys, what are you waiting for? Call on 8828 and book your seat with us right away. All the links related to mock test, live class, sectional program, GK handouts, study materials are mentioned in the description. Do check that out. And for classroom or live class, all the numbers are given in the description. Do check that out as well. And until then, see you in the next video.